I know wedding planning can be overwhelming. So today I'm going to show you how to design and print professional looking wedding invitations or thank you cards using Canva. Hopefully this will at least take one thing on your plate and make it simple and affordable. Let's dive right in. As you can see, I have Canva open. I am logged in and I've typed in the search bar wedding invitation photo. I'm a little biased to the photos, so we like the ones with pictures on them. In fact, I don't mind this one right here, so let's play around with this one. Okay, I think the first thing I'd like to do is we'll change that photo. So over here, this is where you can upload files from your device. I've already uploaded one I've got right over here. We'll just click and drag it and bring it over here. So if we double click this, we can actually move this around in here. We can change the crop. Click back off and then we can actually just move the photo around. So we'll make that fit in here. We can also change the wording. I like a little more symmetry, so we're going to move that over there. Easy to change the words. And then we'll just go through and fill in all of the information that we have. We can just delete these. You can also add things if you want. But really, that's all we need to do to design this thing, and it looks pretty good. So we can come up either to the print with Canva right here, or probably before I did that, I'd download. And then you can also get to the print with Canva here. And that brings up, oh look, it already knows we have invitations. And I think it's going to make this easy for us. Boom, here we go. Invitations right to your doorstep. So we'll pick out the paper, the finish, the corners, make sure we've got envelopes, and make sure our price is acceptable. And that should take us right to the card. It's as easy as that. Your invitations are ready to go and they look amazing. So besides printing, what is one thing on your wedding planning list that you wish were crossed off? Please leave your answer in the comments. And if it has anything to do with photography, go check out my photography survival guide to help you plan, prepare, and get the photos you'll cherish forever. This isn't just a guide, it's an email mini course packed with 17 years of insider tips to make sure your photos are everything you dream of. Click below and sign up. It's free and easy. Have a good one.